Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can get Payoneer IBAN number. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, first of all, go ahead and open up your Payoneer bank account, mobile banking app. So the thing that you have to know about the IBAN number first is that some of the country actually allow it to be used. For example, the European countries actually show the IBAN number, and the country like USA does not show the IBAN numbers. So if you reside in US and if you're trying to find the IBAN number that basically doesn't exist for you, you can do the transaction with other ways, but you don't need the IBAN number at all as well. And for the European countries that if you reside on, you will find the IBAN number by simply logging in. Right, as soon as you have signed in, you can go to any of your transaction and you can check out the transaction history to find out your IBAN number, or you can go to your account section, and from there including account number and IBAN number also will be listed for you to simply check it out. You can check it out like that. And since you are in the country where IBAN number is allowed and is in the use, you can simply contact the Payoneer bank itself, the nearest branch of yours, and can give your account details and ask for your IBAN number likewise. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.